Hello and welcome to the Great Central Railway's Winter Steam Gala. You join me at a very damp Quorn Woodhouse. Slightly quieter intro for me as I've got many bods around me who are attempting to film, so I'm trying not to disrupt their footage. There are two visiting locos for this gala. It's a 9F and a Battle of Britain. Kicking things off is one of the demonstration goods trains, led by 73156. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, coming now is one of the guest locos starring at the gala. (257) Squadron 34072. And naturally that train's absolutely heaving because it's the one with the griddle car. Also bears no relation to the fact that there's a Battle of Britain haul in the thing. Okay, my autofocus is kind of just doing its own thing here. Let's zoom out a touch more, shall we? There we go. I believe we've got one of the local trains coming up. The timetable's completely gone to pot, so I'm not going to try and give you the timings. (68067). One of the little Austerity tank engines. You can see the steam heat there working a treat. Gorgeous whistle on it too. Again, it wouldn't be a traditional steam gala at the Great Central Railway without the inclusion of the Derby light rail car. Always seems to make an appearance here. Regardless of whatever gala is running, it could be a 2000s plus modern day thing, and that'll still be running around. Anyone would think it gets left out. But as I say, the timetable's gone completely to hell. I think everything's running about 10-15 minutes late now, so Rather than trying to give you an accurate representation of what's coming and going, I shall just do traditional train spotting and give out loco numbers and the type that it is. Because that's basically all I can do. Okay, Iris is now on her way. I would assume that this is off to Rothley. Although, where does the destination board claim this is actually off to? It reckons it's off to Sheringham. Good luck with that. Sheringham and Leeds. Blimey, that'll be a long journey to do. Okay, so we have another one of the demonstration goods trains coming through. This could be the wind cutters. Looks like this could be the standard 2. He's sneaking in. Ooh, now I think that's the Black 5 that lives here. We all have to love a Black 5, that is the law. Hopefully the 9F is out and about today. I look forward to seeing that. And hopefully the Black 5 gives a good show when she leaves. And because this looks like it's the griddle car set, I'm expecting this train to be incredibly busy. Okay, I can hear the guards blowing the whistles, so this won't be too far away from departing. And I was wrong, it's the 9F. And I have to say, she sounds absolutely incredible. Okay, it looks like we have number 18 coming up, one of the smaller little Austerity tank locomotives. Now I think this will be hauling a train to Rothley. Depends on the rolling stock, but they may give this a full length run. But I'd be very surprised seeing as the 9F only just took a train down. No, I think this will be the local Rothley one. Okay, she should be right ready for the off. Driver can't see through the steam. Go on, girl. Okay, the next train to arrive is the, I'm not even going to try and get the time, it's the service from Leicester to Loughborough. Gorgeous raking Mark 1s, they really are. It's probably one of the best liveries to go on a Mark 1. Okay, we've got the tanks coming back up now. Courtesy of the Slag Hall. I'm guessing the signal at the platform is against her. Okay. Come on, autofocus. Come on. Oh, it'll sort itself out in a minute, I'm sure. finish things off with the wind cutter train. Put on a tremendous show there. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed your scene today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to have a comment. I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I haven't stayed here doing as much filming as I normally would, but it's been thoroughly enjoyable nevertheless. She's on fine form. Excellent gala from a viewing standpoint. I'm going to go get myself a spot of lunch and go for an explore up and down the line and see what locos are going to be hauling me. Kind of bagging getting the that Battle of Britain one because, you know, why wouldn't you? We I forgot the 9F as well. No idea what gala's going to be next, so we'll have to wait and see. So, until next time, from me here at the Great Central Railway, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.